There are
Ayan, guys,
significant
panoorin
progress
natin to
and
si
accomplishments in the
Ramon.
normalization and political tracks of the peace agreement.
That should be the wording, Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor. Hindi po nakasulat sa report, they have completed the implementation of all signed peace agreements. This is unacceptable po.
Mga boss, may ginisa tayong ahensya ng gobyerno dahil nire-report nila na 100% completed na yung implementasyon ng mga pinirmahan nila na kasunduan kahit sa totoo, hindi pa.
Tama
Yang
yan,
ahensyang
boss.
yan, mga boss,
Gisahin mo
ay yung
sila.
Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity na pinamumunuan ni Secretary Carlito Galvez. Batay sa research natin at nakuha nating datos mula sa Philippine Development Plan Midterm Update, nakasulat doon, mga boss, nakacheck na completed yung implementasyon ng mga kasunduan na pinirmahan ng OPA-PRU.
Nakasulat dito, complete the implementation of all signed peace agreements. Nakacheck, green check.
Okay,
Kung ganun pala mga boss, na nire-report na 100% implemented na yung mga pinirmahan na kasunduan, di dapat tapos na lahat ng usaping pangkapayapaan dito sa ating bansa.
Ang ibig sabihin po ba nito, all provisions have already been delivered in full, including the decommissioning of combatants, socio-economic packages, transitional justice. If the implementation is complete, Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor, bakit po ang daming reports pa rin, ang daming gaps pagdating sa delivery ng livelihood and reintegration program for former combatants? Bakit po nire-report sa midterm update ng PDP? That is unacceptable, Mr. Speaker, Madam Sponsor.
Those are targets, Mr. Speaker.
Target lang
But
pala.
this is included in the PDP midterm update. Sinasabi nila na wala na silang tiwala sa Presidential Advisor on the Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity. And if I may quote, one of the reports said that OPA-PRU, Secretary Galvez, is a saboteur of peace. On the verge of collapse ang usaping pangkapayapaan. Marami ho ang nagagalit. Bilyong-bilyong piso po kasi ang ina-allocate natin dito sa mga peace table na to. Gusto po ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino na magkaroon na ng tunay at pangmatagalan na kapayapaan. Pero magagawa lang ho natin yan kapag na-address natin yung mga existing challenges and gaps. Mahirap naman po na nag-uusap tayo dito and yet we are blindsided sa kung ano na ba talaga yung update. Ano yung nilalaman na mga items na hinihiling ng OPA-PRU. Gusto po natin ng kapayapaan. Peace is a constitutional aspiration, Mr. Speaker, but it should not become a permanent line item without closure. We owe it to the Filipino people to ask, when will these peace tables finally deliver their promises?
Tara na, kamanggagawa.